Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of gaming on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. A little gaming test to see just how well this device performs when it comes to playing certain games, how smooth the gameplay is, and if this device will overheat or not depending on what game we are playing. As you can see, I do have a PlayStation 4 controller up here to the top left. I am going to be using this for one of the games. It just makes it a little bit more fun and a little bit more easier to play as well, but of course you can use the screen itself if you do not have a controller. Now, I do got to give a huge thanks and shout out before we start this video to I-Blason for sponsoring this video. A little bit later in the video, I will be showing off their armor box case right here, which is a very nice protective case for this device, which I have personally been using at work, and then also a case from their Cosmos series right here. So make sure you stay tuned for that. We're going to be showing off those cases, and I'll make sure to have links down in the description below. But let's go and get this gaming test started. All right, so starting off with a little bit of Call of Duty Mobile. As you can see here, the game is loading up. Got about 26 seconds left before the game starts, but just checking out what the on-screen controls are like, how responsive they are. Nice and smooth, as you can see there. No problems at all, and it's nice being able to do this on a big screen like this as well. It just makes using these on-screen controls so much easier to use. But I am actually going to be using the PlayStation 4 controller for this game right here. I just wanted to show you what the on-screen controls are like really quick before we get this game started. But let's go ahead and pick up this PS4 controller right here. All right, so we are playing some Battle Royale. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right here. Why not? And this PS4 controller is actually responding very, very well. Let's see what the aiming is like. Nice. It almost feels like I'm playing an actual PlayStation. I mean, there's like a little tiny bit of latency when using this controller, but I mean, it's hardly noticeable. It's like, it's almost instant actually. It feels pretty good. Look at that. Woo! Nice. Let's see, switch guns. Switching guns works good. All right, let's go try to get some kills. A little slide action there. Hopefully we can run into some more people here. Got him. Even driving a vehicle in this game is nice and smooth. Got him. Was there somebody else? Oh, there he is. Damn, my aiming sucks. Got him. Well, there it is, some Call of Duty Mobile. As you can see, gameplay is very smooth, even when playing with the PS4 controller. It also supports a PS5 controller and an Xbox controller as well. You just got to go into the settings and switch it up there. And it will also bring up a prompt for you asking you what kind of controller you're using if it does sense a controller connected to your Bluetooth. But yeah, what do y'all think of performance? Let's see, any overheating going on? The phone actually doesn't feel hot at all. So feeling good. And even with the controller connected, yes, you do still have the option to put it down and use the on-screen controls as well, as you can see there. But again, this is Call of Duty Mobile. Y'all let me know what you think. All right, so before we move on to the next game, I got to take a quick moment to give a huge thanks and shout out to the sponsors of this video, I-Blason. As you can see, I got two cases right here from them. I got their Armor Box Series case, which is going to give you the maximum protection for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. And then I got a case from their Cosmo series right here, which is still going to give you some good, decent protection, but it's going to allow you to show off your beautiful Galaxy Z Fold 4 device. As you can see, it is an all clear case. But we'll go ahead and first take a quick look at their Armor Box Series case right here. As you can see, this thing looks like a tank. It's going to give you the maximum protection for your Z Fold 4. Looking really, really cool here in the back. It's got a nice matte finish all the way around, as you can see there. It also comes with a kickstand as well. So if you're the type that likes to, set your phone up like that to watch content, even if the device is open like this, you can still set it up to watch content if you would like to. And as you can see, when you open it up, this is what it's going to look like. Let me go ahead and put this back down right here. This is what it's going to look like. And if you're wondering what this is right here, it's actually a holder for the S Pen. As you can see, the S Pen is exposed a little bit here on the side, and that allows you to push it up so you can be able to pull it out and use it. And then you just tuck it right back in there, snaps in nice and secure, and you close it back up. I got a built-in screen protector right here, which actually responds very well. And I actually have another tempered glass screen protector under this. So I got two screen protectors all together, giving me the maximum protection. I'll have links for everything down in the description below as well if you want to check it out. And then opening it up, no problems there. You're getting a nice good size lip all the way around. So if you want to set your phone flat down on a flat surface like that, you should be good. But overall, the Armor Box Series case right here, this is definitely going to give you the maximum protection. And I will be having a full in-depth review with this case and this case right here in a separate video, and possibly doing a drop test with this case right here. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that video. So taking it over to their Cosmo Series case, as you can see, this is a clear case all the way around, which is going to allow you to really show off your Galaxy Z Fold 4 device and whatever color you have it in. It is going to give you some good, decent protection. Obviously, not the same amount of protection as their Armor Box case, but still some good, decent protection. As you can see, we still got a pretty nice deep cutout for those cameras in the back, and we got a good size lip all the way around for that front display. And it also comes with a built-in screen protector as well. And this one also has the holder for the S Pen, which should fit in there nice and secure, and closes just like that, just like this case over here, and it opens up just the same. That is what it's going to look like. It's still giving you a pretty nice lip all the way around that inside display as well. And let's go ahead and see how well this display works with this built-in screen protector. As you can see, still responding very, very well. So no problems there at all. Again, this is a fully clear case, allowing you to show off your Galaxy Z Fold 4 device. But again, huge thanks and shout out to I-Blason for sponsoring this video and allowing us to show off these cool cases right here. Like I said, I will have a full in-depth review with these cases in a separate video. So again, subscribe so you don't miss out on that video. And I'll have links for these cases down in the description below. Let's go ahead and take it over to the next game for this gaming test. All right, so next game on the list here is CSR Racing 2. And look at these graphics. I mean, it looks so good on this device, especially on this big display right here. Now, it does look like some of the game is cut off here on the sides, as you can see there, but it is still playable. Let's go ahead and go into a race here, and let's see how it performs. Let's see how it looks on this device. Go race. Look at those graphics, looking so good on this display right here. All right, here we go. Ooh, looks like it was gonna catch up at the end. All right, let's go ahead and take it over to one more race here. All right, let's do it. Got the crew race. Oh, all right, all right, all right. Oh, he's catching up, he's catching up. Oh, no. Dang, that was so close. All right, all right. It's all good. Almost had him, almost had him. All right, so moving on to the next game, we're gonna be playing some Mario Kart right here. Got my dude Toad right here ready to go. So let's jump into a game here and let's see what we can do. And so far, the device feels great. It doesn't feel like it's overheating at all or anything like that. I haven't experienced any performance issues so far. So far, so good. Let's see what we can do in this game right here. Looking really good on this big display. Am I winning? Oh, I'm in first place. Ooh. Yeah, first place, right? All right, here we go. Jumping into one more race. So far, performance with this game has been great, though. Just with that last race. No, no, no. Oh, man. What is that? All right, another win, another win. Kind of a short race there, but that gives you an idea of how Mario Kart is going to run on this device. Still no overheating and still no performance issues. Let's go ahead and move on to the last game. All right, next game we got here is some Sonic Forces. Let's go ahead and do this. All right, here we go. Oh man. It's alright, I'm still winning, still winning. Performing good so far. No. Oh. Woo, that's right. First place. Still got the first place. Performing very, very well. Let's go and do one more race. All right, jumping into one more race here. See if I can win again. Oh. No, I'm in last place. I'm gonna use the excuse that I'm playing behind camera. It's alright, I can still catch up. I can win this. Just gotta beat Sonic. No. Oh my god, I'm playing horrible right now. Oh no! Alright, that's right, that's right, that's right. Catching up, catching up, catching up. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yee! Just barely made it. First place. And that is Sonic Forces on the Z Fold 4. As you can see, the two races there performed well. No lag or anything like that. So performed very, very well. So there you have it, some gaming on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, just to kind of give you an idea of how well this device performs when it comes to playing games on this nice big display right here. And as you can see, we started off with the more, heavy graphic game, more heavier game like Call of Duty Mobile, down to something a little bit easier like Sonic Forces, which is not too heavy on the device, and it performed well. I didn't experience any overheating issues, no lagging issues or anything like that. Performance was great. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below for another video like this, or my next video like this on any other devices. If there's any other games you would like me to try out to see how well those games perform on a device like this or any other newer device to come, let me know down in the comment sections below, and I will make sure to take that into consideration. But thank you all so very much for watching. Again, huge thanks to I-Blason for sponsoring this video. Like I said, I'll have links to everything down in the description below. But thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks again for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.